Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So we are going to finalize this particular tutorial on car modeling. So let's continue it. So as you can see, we have almost done a lot of things over here. So let's again go into this. Let's check out what things are just left out. We'll just do that. So I'll just slightly push it up till here. So we can do some adjustments as needed. The major part. All right. Just a sec. I have another model as well. I'll just open this model. Okay, yeah, that's, I guess, this is a correct one where we have created the side mirrors as well. So we'll just go over here and we have done some more adjustments. Alright, so let's go into this and let's create a kind of a door handle over here. So I'll just go into this and I can just go into the modifier. Sorry, I'll put a swift loop over here for now. So this is going to be your door handle over here. So again I'll go over here and I'll put one loop, a very close loop over here. So we can do that, and one close loop over here. So let's again take one more swift loop, put one loop at the center of it. So let's go over here, slightly just push it, adjust this in this way, slightly drag it inside. So let's select the polygons over here, and if needed I can slightly give a bit of bevel to it, not much, and let's click OK. So we can just go into this and say a nubs toggle. Again just remove that, select the polygons, slightly push it inside, and if needed I can just use one swift loop over here. So I'll just ring it and let's give one connect to it. So now again go over here, select this border, let's just cap it over here. Let's use a cut over here. So wherever is required we can just put some cuts, and over here if we don't need it we can just remove this. You can use control and backspace to remove this loops over here. Again select the border and let's cap it over here. Right click, let's use a cut over here. We can use this multiple cuts wherever are required. So we can just end this in this way. So select this edges, control and backspace, we can just remove that. Again use a cut over here. Again use a cut. See, if you're doing this details, then you need a cut, definitely. Then only you can just get some this of the details. So we have created a handle. So select the polygons over here. So we can just select this. So whatever the glass section is there, we can just select that much of the area. Just select that of the area, and we can slightly inset it, very less, and slightly extrude it inside a bit. Similarly, select this, slight inset, very less, and extrude it inside. Alright, so select this whole thing for the glass, and let's go into the material. So I'll just assign one material over here. So let's go into this and let's give a V-Ray material. I'll just give a glass color and give a bit of refraction to it. That's it. Alright. So if you want, I can increase this to make it look more black over here. So wherever you see the details, you will get this stuff. Alright. So again, go over here. Let's again take a swift loop, and we can add some swift loop over here. Let's take 2 connects. Click OK. Ring it. OK. And let's give knobs toggle. Alright. So we can go over here, put some loops at the corners. So let's again use a cut over here and join it. So you can just remove that. Alright. So I can just go out of this. So select the polygons over here. So as you can see, we have this details over here. So we can put some loops if needed over here as well. Okay, anyways, now Again I'll go over here. So let's see this. Okay, that's totally okay. Select the polygons. These are for the light section. Let's go into the material, and I can just assign a very light material over here. So let's just take a light material and can just give a light material to it. So we can just assign a light material, and similarly we can just select this part, and we can even give a light material, and let's assign some color to it. So instead of that I can just slightly make it like this. Yeah, looks better now. The only concern is we have done something over here. That's the biggest concern. If I try to put one loop, let's put one loop over here. Let's put one loop. Okay. Alright. The reason is there are no loops over here connected. So we need to add some loops which we can, obstruct this, because there are no multiple connects over here. So if we can go over here, so you need to make sure that you just connect it. Alright, so it's now a bit less. So there are no closed loops over here as well. So let's go again over here. So detailing of a car takes time, because when you are blocking it, it's much faster, but once you go into it, takes time. Much better. So select this whole thing. Just give any color to it for now at least. I'll just give a color. Alright. So let's go over here. Let's say a symmetry mesh smooth. So once you're doing it, do come out of this first. That's your nubs toggle, and then you can go with the shell and all this properties to make it look much better. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So few things are just left out, which will be covering it up in the coming tutorial. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So thanks for watching this tutorial.